Hey guys, Ed here. In this video I'll show you how to replace or change headlight bulbs, low or high beam or turn signal in 2016 Toyota Corolla. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open the door, pop the hood, raise the hood and put it on a stand. So this is actually a very simple procedure. It's just some places there's a little bit too limited space. But so here we go. If we have to change a turn signal, it's located right here. See this thing here? Hope you guys can see it. This. How do we remove it? Just gonna grab it with the fingers and spin. Grab it, spin, and pull out. Okay, so here it is. It comes out like this. If you have to remove it, I mean most likely you have to remove it, just take it with your fingers and pull out the bulb from the housing. When you have the replacement bulb, just put it back in like this. Putting it back in is the same exact procedure, just reverse. So get it in whole, very hard to film, it's because of limited space, I'm sorry. Just get it in whole and spin. You're just gonna tick and click in. Okay, very simple. If you have to replace the high beam bulb, so this is how you do it. It's right here, same way, just spin it and wiggle it out. It's very limited space, but it is doable. The battery is in our way. Now, to remove this bulb from the housing, you have to disconnect it from a connector. Okay, to disconnect it from the connector, you have to press this stick here. See this? You press on it, and with the other hand you're gonna pull here. Okay, it's impossible for me to film right now, so I'm trying to explain it, how it works. So you press here with this finger, you press here, and then just pull the bulb off. That's it. Same way, get the replacement bulb in a parts store or wherever you're gonna buy it, and you get and replace. Then we just put it back in, same way, and just secure it in. That's it. Everything is back in place, nice and easy. Same thing is on the passenger side. Actually over here it's much easier to do this because there's a better way, freer. So you just take it out and put it back in. Very simple, 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, very simple procedure. So guys, I hope this helps, and if it does, please press the like button and have a great day. Bye.